So this is by no means going to be an exhaustive look at Google Analytics, but we just wanted to show you the benefit of using measurement and tracking very quickly so you can see some of the information that you have that you're armed with to start improving your website. This is the Stoltz Illusions website. It's one of my companies, and you can see in the last month it's had 486 visits. And most people think of it as, well, how many people are visiting my site? And we like to encourage them to change their mindset and think about more what they're doing and how good of a job is my website doing. Now in this case, this website was recently launched, so we're still waiting for more data, and we want to have a few months of data before we start changing anything. But we can see right now what's going on. So I'm looking at the last 30 days, but I can actually do this and I can compare it so that I'm always comparing it to the past. But for ease of looking at on the screen here as I rock through this, so I can see how many people have come, how many of them are unique visitors, not John Doe visiting twice, how many pages were viewed, the average number of pages per visit, the average time they spend, the average bounce rate, and that is the percentage at which people enter on a page and immediately leave without viewing any other pages, and what percentage of them are new visits. Now I can tell you this number is a little bit high, so we've started running A/B tests on the website to try and get that number down below 40%. But then when I start clicking around, I can really see some interesting stuff. So if I go to content, and let's go to overview, you can see just a snapshot of our pages and which ones are getting the most action. So I know what's interesting people about this website. I'm going to go to view full report. And now this is where we get the gold. A lot of the gold is right here on the website. I can see all the various pages, how many page views, how many of those were unique, the average time spent, the bounce rate, and the exit rate. Now remember, bounce rate is the rate at which they enter a page and leave from that same page without clicking on anything else. With exit rate, it doesn't matter how many pages they viewed, they left from that page. And there are some of these where it's not bad if it's high. For example, contact us. Most people who go to a contact us page, if they fill it out, they've gotten what they've wanted and they leave because they've already contacted you. They don't need to keep browsing your website. That's kind of the end point of browsing a site, is contacting them. The site's done its job. However, if I've got an offer and everyone exits from that page, something's wrong with that page. I need to do an A/B test to try and come up with ideas on how to fix it. Now, we can see this is a brand new site, as I mentioned, so there's a lot of these that we're going to be working on to get down. Some of these are a little bit high for me. 71, 66, these are a little bit scary. These are pretty average for a new site because we haven't optimized them yet. It's nice to see that the bounce rate of the home page is below 40%, which is very important. I want you to come in and then get to another page. So I can start making intelligent decisions now. I know that a lot of people are coming in on whatever this page is, and I need to fix that. So I can start looking at that page and working on reasons why I can fix it to keep them on my site longer. That's just a bit of a quick look at some of what you can get by looking at it. I can see where people are coming to if I go to traffic sources, what keywords they're typing in. So I know what people are looking for. I know what they're hoping to find. So Stage Illusions for Sale can be something I say right on the homepage with a button to get those people into that content, because that's a majority of our visitors to this new website. So it's just a bit of an idea on what this thing can do for you. Take it to heart. Take a look at some of the videos for Google Analytics. Learn how to use the tool or get someone like us to do it for you, and learn to interpret that information, make your website bigger, better, and help your business grow.